today I'm reviewing the Benton Goodbye Redness Centella Gel. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, this one I've been meaning to review for a long time, and I'm finally getting a chance to do it. So, they say the Benton Goodbye Redness Centella Gel contains 80% Centella Asiatica extract and relieves the stress of irritated and tired skin. The gel helps skin to regain its strength while leaving skin clear. So it does do a little bit of all those things. So let me get to my first criteria, which is packaging, and they package it in a squeeze tube bottle. No real issues with that. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohols, this does not contain any of those, so that's always a good thing, especially for sensitive skin. When we get to fragrance, so it has no noticeable scent. It really doesn't. Although it does contain a couple of ingredients of note. Chamaecyparis obtusa water, which the ingredient itself has components of essential oils. Many of these oils are found to have some therapeutic effect and are even used in some natural cleaning products since it has antibacterial and antimicrobial effects. So the ingredient in and of itself is not a huge issue, except for the fact that the components of it have a little bit of essential oils. So making it, if you have very, very sensitive skin, it's something to note. The other thing is it has tea tree leaf extract, which is another ingredient which has some components that have a scent to them, but it also has antioxidant effects. So there's lots of fragrance ingredients that have no benefits at all. These are ingredients that have a fragrance, small fragrance component, but are known to have benefits. So I didn't really knock them for that. Although if you have very sensitive skin, it's important to note. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So for me, I've kind of just used this as a spot treatment, or like when my neck gets really red or irritated, I'll apply it there. They say prepare face with toner after cleansing, apply a suitable amount and spread evenly onto face. Softly pat and absorb. Finish off by applying lotion or cream to areas that need extra moisture. Personally, I really just like using this on my neck or just spot areas if they get red. My neck is almost always red. And it's got a really nice like gel texture, which absorbs really easily, plays well with other products. I never have any issues with pilling underneath it, so that's always nice. And it sets to a nice matte, non-sticky finish. So it's very easy to use. No issues at all with that. I really love the texture of this one. A lot of products say they're gel, but they're really not. This one's a nice gel. Okay, then we get to antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. We've got quite a list. So we've got Centella Asiatica extract, 80%. Centella is anti-inflammatory. It has wound healing properties. Also has antioxidant benefits. It's great for your skin. Helps with redness. Helps with the skin barrier. Does a lot. So it's a really great ingredient that has so many good uses. Then we've got arginine, which is a good amino acid, which are the building blocks of collagen and also skin soothing. Then we've got sodium gluconate, which is a good humectant. We've got Enantia Chlorantha bark extract, which is also a good skin conditioning ingredient. Oleanolic acid. Let me try it one more time. Oleanolic acid. Sounds like linoleic acid, which I'm also probably saying wrong. But so that is a skin conditioning ingredient. Then we've got licorice root, which is a good antioxidant and skin brightening ingredient. Tea tree extract, antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antioxidant, and anti-acne. Purslane extract, which is a good antioxidant and skin soothing ingredient. We've got Houttuynia cordata extract, which is a flowering plant native to Southeast Asia. It is also eaten as a vegetable, a leaf vegetable like a salad. Also has a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine, which is anti-inflammatory, skin soothing, and antibacterial. Then we've got Asiatica acid, which is a component of the Centella, which has soothing and hydrating effects. Madecassic acid, another Centella component, which has wound healing and moisturizing properties. Asiatica side and then Madecasso side, which are both antioxidant and skin soothing ingredients. So they did a very nice job making this something that's great for those with very acne-prone skin or just redness, or just good for hydration and soothing. In terms of animal testing, the Benton brand is cruelty-free. So for performance, does help with redness. It might not immediately, like the second you put it on, but after you've put it on for a few hours, you'll notice the redness kind of fade, and the more often you use it, your skin will get better results with continued use, and certainly very hydrating. And then in terms of acneogenic ingredients, we only have 2, butylene glycol and cetearyl alcohol. Then in terms of the price, so this is the full size, which is 20 milliliters, or $20 for 100 milliliters, or 3.52 ounces. So it's a big bottle. This one will last quite a while. And $20 is a pretty good bargain. And sometimes you can usually find it on one of the K-beauty sites for even less. Then we get to the it factor, and a really nice product. Great for all skin types. Oily skin might like the gel texture. Dry skin will appreciate the moisturizing and soothing ingredients. Does help with redness. Very affordable. No alcohol or noticeable scent. So overall, I really like this product. And with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave it a 10. It's got a lot to offer. For most people will enjoy this one. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys. I always thought Benton was a great brand. They released their few carrot oil products recently, and I was not impressed with the ingredient list. Peppermint oil and a carrot oil toner. I don't know. I wasn't expecting that one, but they still have a lot of good products. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys. If you've tried this or if you have any other Benton favorites, I'll leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.